हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं इससे पहले ये टॉपिक से रिलेटेड 2 वीडियोस अपलोड कर चुकी हूँ। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखी है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसकी लिंक प्रोवाइडेड है, आप वहाँ से जाकर देख सकते हैं। मैंने उन वीडियोस में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का A to F पूरा कवर कर लिया है। अब हम आगे G के तरफ बढ़ेंगे। और अगर आपने मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्द से जल्द जाके सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको मेरे लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स मिल सकें। सो लेट्स बिगिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 G है, सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फ्रेंड्स, हमें यहाँ भी पूरे क्वेश्चन लिखने होंगे पर मैंने नहीं लिखे हैं। आपको एग्ज़ाम में पूरे क्वेश्चंस और सोल्यूशन दोनों ही लिखने हैं। सो फर्स्ट वन, the idea of bringing urban residents to agricultural farm, agrotourism. Agrotourism is a form of niche tourism innovation to introduce new combination of products and features. A full-time job which requires dedication and hard work, entrepreneurship, Startup India, entity having headquarter in India. So here we have finished the first bit. Now let's move on to the second bit. 4 P's, E. Jerome McCarthy. Market research, a function of marketing. Booms and Bittner, 3 P's. Place concept, buyers, sellers and intermediaries come together. Label, slip is found on the product. Here second bit also gets over. Now let's move on to the third one. District Judge, District Commission, not less than 4 members, members in National Commission, Consumer Protection Act 2019, National Commission, compensation exceeds 10 crore. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ ऑप्शन में उन्होंने कंपनसेशन एक्सीड्स 10 करोड़ ये ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिया है, लेकिन यहाँ पर वो जो ऑप्शन है कंपनसेशन डज नॉट एक्सीड 1 करोड़, उस ऑप्शन के जगह यहाँ पर वो ऑप्शन आना चाहिए। ये एक करेक्शन होगा। जनहित याचिका, मैटर ऑफ जनरल पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट। हियर थर्ड बिट ऑल्सो गेट्स ओवर। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द फोर्थ वन। आफ्टर सेल सर्विस, कंज्यूमर्स, गवर्नमेंट, timely payment of taxes, protest against anti-social activities, society, fair practices on stock exchange, shareholders, owners, reasonable profit. Here the fourth one also gets completed. Now let's move on to the fifth one. Intangible services, commercial bank accepting deposits, niche banks in India, small finance bank, credit cards, no need to carry cash, fund transfer system, RTGS. Here we complete the G bit also. Now let's move on to the H one. So here the H bit consists of answer in one sentence. मैं ये 1 सेंटेंस इसलिए प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ ताकि आपको एक रफ स्केच मिल सके कि आपको 1 सेंटेंस कैसे लिखने हैं। ये कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके आंसर टेक्स्ट बुक या किसी डाइजेस्ट से ही मैच करने चाहिए। आप 1 सेंटेंस आंसर्स मन से भी लिख सकते हैं, बस आपकी वर्डिंग्स प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए, उसका मीनिंग सही होना चाहिए। सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ व्हाट इज़ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड। Principle of unity of command means each member of organization should receive orders from only one superior. If an employee receives order from more than one authority, he will get confused and will not be able to take decision. Second, what is outsourcing? Outsourcing is the process of contracting a business function or any specific business activity to specialized agency, mostly the non-core areas such as sanitation, security, household pantry, etc. Third, what is controlling? Controlling is the process of taking steps to bring actual result and desired result closer together. It is performed at all levels of management, that is top, middle and lower. Fourth, what are business services? Business services are those services which help business to grow and help business to function smoothly. Fifth, what is a principal management? The principles which are used for management of business are known as principles of management. Next, what is National Commission? A consumer dispute redressal forum at the national level established by central government by notification is known as National Commission. It is also called as National Commission Disputes Redressal Commission. Seventh, what is right to represent? The Act provides an opportunity to individuals and consumer groups to represent consumers' interests before consumer forum. Eighth, what is staffing? Staffing is the process of attracting, recruiting, selecting, placing, appraising, remunerating, developing, and retaining the best workforce. Ninth, what do you mean by branding? Branding is the process of giving special identity to a product through unique brand name to differentiate it from competitors' product. Registered brands are known as trademarks. 10th, what is KPO? KPO, that is Knowledge Process Outsourcing, functions related to knowledge and information are outsourced to third-party service providers. 11th, what is agrotourism? Agrotourism is the idea of bringing urban residents to rural areas for leisure travel and spending. 12th, what is demand deposit? Demand deposit are those which are repaid to consumers whenever they demand. 13th, what do you mean by grading? Grading is the process of classification of products according to similar characters and or quality like size, shape, structure, quality, etc. 14th, what is exchange bank? The exchange banks facilitate foreign exchange transactions, example Barclays Bank, Bank of Tokyo, etc. Functions: financing foreign trade transactions, issue of letter of credit, discounting of bills of exchange. 15th, who is entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to risk loss in order to make money. 16th, who is consumer? A consumer means any person who buys any goods, hire any services for a consideration which has been paid or promised or paid or partly promised or under any system of deferred payment. Here we complete the H bit. Now let's move on to the I bit, which is correct the underlined word and rewrite the sentence. आपको यहाँ जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड है उसके जगह प्रॉपर सही जो वर्ड आएगा वो लिखना होगा. मैंने डायरेक्टली वो वर्ड लिख दिया है, आपको फुल सेंटेंस लिखना है. फर्स्ट, द वर्ड एंटरप्रेन्योर कम्स फ्रॉम द फ्रेंच वर्ब entreprendre. It means to undertake. Second, the central bank is the apex financial institution in the banking industry in the country. Third, digital currency is a form of electronic currency that exists only in cyberspace. Fourth, the person who is protected against certain losses is known as insured. Fifth, the loan taken under Stand Up India scheme is repayable in 7 years. Next, controlling measures are flexible to some extent. 7th, KPO is sub-segment of BPO. 8th, social responsibility is broader term than legal responsibility of business. 9th, all sort of unfair practices related to stock exchange should be avoided. 10th, Esprit de Corps main unity is strength. 11th, every year 15th March is observed as World Consumer Rights Day. 12th, the President of District Commission is sitting or retired District Court Judge. 13th, factors of business environment are always flexible. 14th, territorial jurisdiction of State Commission is geographical limits of the state. 15th, in commodity concept of market, emphasis is given on buying and selling of goods or services. 16th, Insecurity in job always affects adversely on the efficiency of employees. Here we complete our I bit also. Now let's move on to the J bit, which is arrange in proper order. So the first one is controlling, planning, organizing. So correct answer is planning, organizing, controlling. Second, claim, accident, taking the policy, compensation. Answer, taking the policy, accident, claim, compensation. Third, Supreme Court Judge, High Court Judge, District Court Judge. Answer, District Judge, High Court Judge, Supreme Court Judge. Fourth, registration, cash on delivery, placing an order. Answer, registration, placing an order, cash on delivery. Fifth, coordinating, staffing, directing. Answer, staffing, directing, coordinating. Here we completed our question number 1. Now in the next video we will see question number 2. If you haven't seen the first 2 parts of this video, then the link is provided in the description. You can see from there also. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, go fast and hit the bell icon so that you can receive my latest updates. And thank you for being till last in my videos. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.